Okay, some of you guys have problems getting the SMD fuse holders on the PCB, so I'm going to show you how I do it and how I think is a good way. Maybe there's a better way, but this is at least one way you can do it. So the first thing I do is put a little solder on the pad where the fuse holder should come. See, like this. Then I put a little bit of solder on the fuse holder itself. Okay. Okay, it sticks a bit. Next thing, I put the fuse holder where it should be. I take a little screwdriver to hold it a bit in place. I put the solder on the side. That's okay. Now we're gonna do it on the other side. Like this. Push it. Stick it to the side. Oh, this went wrong. It's not always easy, as you can see. So the left side is okay. Right side again, because this one is not okay. It's a bit tricky, but in the end, with some practice, not like I did in the first go here, then again, the other side. Okay, left side is still not good, the other side is not good, so we're gonna do it again. And it's soft again. And that should be it.